Welcome to Debt-Free Dreams, the ultimate guide to understanding Bitcoin in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just want to stay ahead of the curve, this video will break down everything you need to know about Bitcoin and how it fits into the financial world today. Stick around to the end for some essential tools that can help you make the most of Bitcoin, including managing your portfolio and tracking tax obligations efficiently. Look in the description below for links to the helpful tools I mentioned. Part 1. What is Bitcoin and why does it matter in 2025? Bitcoin is the first decentralized digital currency and has become a household name over the years. In 2025, Bitcoin continues to revolutionize the financial world, serving as a hedge against inflation, a store of value, and a digital payment system. What sets Bitcoin apart from traditional currency is its limited supply, capped at 21 million coins, and the blockchain technology that underpins it. In 2025, we're seeing increasing adoption by institutions, more innovative use cases, and stronger regulation in many countries. These factors make understanding Bitcoin more crucial than ever for both beginners and seasoned investors. Part 2. How does Bitcoin work? Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network called the blockchain. Transactions are verified by miners using computing power and recorded on a public ledger, ensuring transparency and security. The process of mining is integral to Bitcoin's functionality, but with Bitcoin having Zen increasing difficulty levels, new coins are becoming harder to mine, further increasing their scarcity. Part 3. Investing in Bitcoin in 2025. Investing in Bitcoin has become more accessible than ever. Platforms like TradingView allow you to analyze the market and make informed decisions with real-time data. If you're looking for a streamlined way to track your portfolio, CoinStats is an excellent tool for monitoring prices, managing multiple wallets, and staying on top of market trends. Part 4. Managing Bitcoin taxes. Tax compliance is a key consideration for Bitcoin holders in 2025. Platforms like Koinly, Zen Ledger, and TokenTax can help you calculate your cryptocurrency taxes with ease. These tools integrate directly with your wallets and exchanges, making tax reporting seamless and stress-free. Part 5. Bitcoin's potential and risks in 2025. Bitcoin's potential continues to grow, with increasing integration into traditional financial systems. However, it's not without risks. Price volatility, regulatory changes, and market sentiment can all impact Bitcoin's value. That's why having the right tools and knowledge is essential for anyone involved in the cryptocurrency space. Bitcoin has come a long way since its inception, and in 2025, it's more relevant than ever. Whether you're investing, trading, or simply learning, using the right tools like TradingView, CoinStats, Koinly, or Zen Ledger can make a significant difference. Check out the links in the description to get started with these platforms and take your Bitcoin journey to the next level. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.